Hello everyone, in this video we are going to discuss the term abstract poetry. Introduction. Abstract poetry is a unique and fascinating form of literary art where the emphasis shifts from the conventional meaning of words to the auditory experience they create. Edith Sitwell, a pioneering figure in this genre, masterfully utilized this technique in her works, particularly in her collection Facade. This video explores the concept of abstract poetry through examples from Sitwell, Gerard Manley Hopkins, and Roy Campbell, illustrating how they have sacrificed conventional meaning to achieve rich oral effects. Edith Sitwell and Facade. Edith Sitwell's Facade is a quintessential example of abstract poetry where the sound of words takes precedence over their literal meaning. Sitwell's verses are often characterized by their rhythmic and musical qualities, creating a sensory experience that transcends traditional interpretation. For instance, in Hornpipe from Facade, the playful use of sound creates a lively rhythm. The sailors come skipping from the hall, kicking their fleet in an olive wall. Here the imagery is vivid but secondary to the playful sounds and rhythms that evoke movement and energy of sailors dancing. Gerard Manley Hopkins, onomatopoeic and melodic devices. Gerard Manley Hopkins, another master of sound in poetry, used onomatopoeia and melopoeia to enhance the auditory experience of his work. In Pied Beauty, Hopkins celebrates the beauty of nature through a cascade of sounds. Glory be to God for dappled things, for skies of couple color as a brinded cow, for rose moles all in stipple upon trout that swim, fresh fire coal, chestnut falls, finches' wings, landscape plotted and pieced, fold, fallow, and plough, and all trades their gear and tackle and trim. The alliteration and assonance in phrases like couple color, fresh fire coal, and finches' wings create a musical quality that enhances the poem's celebration of nature's diversity. Roy Campbell, Experimentation in Abstract Poetry. Roy Campbell, an outstanding and prolific experimenter in abstract poetry, used complex sound patterns to create layered meanings. His poem Mithric Frieze from Mithric Emblems demonstrates this technique. Of 7 hues in white alison, the radii of your silver ire are the 7 swords of vision that spoked the prophet's flaming tire. Their sistered stringencies ignite the spectrum of the poet's lyre, whose unison becomes a white, revolving disk of stainless fire, and sights the eye of that sole star, that in the heavy clouds we are, the kindred seeds of fire can spy, or in the cold shell of the rock, the red yolk of the phoenix cock, whose feathers in the meteors fly. Campbell's poem is rich with alliteration, assonance, and internal rhyme, creating a tapestry of sound that enhances its mystical and visionary quality. Conclusion. Abstract poetry, as exemplified by Edith Sitwell, Gerard Manley Hopkins, and Roy Campbell, showcases the power of sound in creating meaning. By prioritizing the auditory elements of language, these poets crafted works that transcend conventional interpretation, offering readers a unique sensory experience. Their innovative use of sound over sense highlights the versatile nature of poetry and its ability to evoke emotions and imagery through rhythm, rhyme, and resonance. So this was the discussion on the term abstract poetry. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.